Well, I guess it's Christmas, so I printed another uh, marble machine. And this one is also printed like this. In other words, this part here was on the bed of the 3D printer, and it's assembled, and no assembly, no uh, uh, supports anywhere. I mean, it just like you see it, and it's well done. The only thing I wish that whoever designed this is that they would use a standard marble size, because now it wants a 12 millimeter, and I only have 11 millimeter, so I'll put it in, and then we'll see if it works. So this is rocking a little bit over here because this mat is a little. Just let me turn it. There we go. So it's gonna go to this side. The first three balls are gonna go on that side. So here's the second one, and here's the third one, and then the next three are gonna go over here on this side. So you have no control over which side it goes. It picks it up by itself down there, but it works really, really nice, and I'm very pleased with it. I'm glad that my 11 millimeter marbles work in here. So it's pretty. I'm glad whoever designed it. I just wish that they make them all to 14 millimeters, so then the regular glass marbles that are 14 millimeters would work. But I guess I get what I get, right? I didn't design it, didn't have to pay for it. So I want to thank for the person who uh, designed it and let us all have it for free. And I'm gonna, of course, wish you Merry Christmas one more time because tonight is Christmas Eve, and I wish you also a lot of health and have a fantastic day and fantastic next year too. Okay, give me thumbs up. Doesn't cost you anything, and again, have a fantastic day.